Adding custom fonts in Klaviyo allows you to personalize your email campaigns and align them with your brand's unique style. Klaviyo doesn't support adding custom fonts directly through its built-in editor, but you can still use web-safe fonts or embed custom fonts via CSS. Here's how to add fonts in Klaviyo. Use web-safe fonts. Klaviyo offers a selection of default web-safe fonts such as Arial, Helvetica, Georgia, and Times New Roman. To change the font in your email, simply select the text block you want to modify in the email editor. Go to the text options and choose your preferred web-safe font from the font drop-down menu. Add custom fonts using CSS. If you want to use custom fonts, you can add them using CSS in the email's HTML code. In your Klaviyo email editor, click Source to access the HTML. Add a link tag to include the font from an external source, like Google Fonts. Then apply the font in your email CSS section. Test your email. Always test your email by sending it to yourself to ensure the custom font is rendered properly on various devices and email clients.